the benefits review plan is the responsibility of the executive, and it is created in the initiating a project process. It can also be updated at the end of every stage boundary, and it is updated with activities related to post-project benefits reviews during the closing of project process, and transferred to corporate or program management, who will undertake the activities for post-project benefits reviews. We know that the purpose of benefits review plan is to define how and when a measurement of the achievement of benefits of the project can be made. What actually goes into a benefits review plan? Let's look at the composition of the benefits review plan. The following template depicts the composition of the benefits review plan. The first heading is Scope of the Benefits Review Plan. The second heading is Benefits Accountability. Third heading is How the expected benefits will be measured. The fourth heading is When these benefits will be measured. The fifth heading is PACE Lab. And the last heading is How the performance of the project's products will be measured in the operational life. Let's look at that first heading, Scope of Benefits Review Plan. What will this heading include? Generally, this heading will include all the identified expected benefits of the project. For instance, the expected benefits that have been identified for the relocation project in the Expected Benefits heading of the business case can be transferred to this heading of the Benefits Review Plan. The second heading is Benefit Accountability. Who is accountable for the expected benefits? Generally, it is the users or user groups who will identify the expected benefits of the project. Users are generally best placed to also own the benefits because they will be using the outputs to carry out operations and realize outcomes, which in turn will enable the realization of benefits. So, in most cases, people who will be maintaining the project's products and also will specify the project's products will be made accountable for the benefits that the project's products will realize. In the context of PRINCE2, it will be the senior user who should be accountable for the benefits. Remembering that there can be more than one person with the accountability for realizing benefits expected from the project. The third heading is How to measure the achievement of expected benefits and when they can be measured. This heading will talk about the various ways in which the expected benefits can be measured and when they can be measured. For example, if your expected benefit is an increase in staff morale, then that benefit can be measured in numerous ways. You can carry out surveys to capture the morale of the employees, or you can conduct interviews, or you can engage experts who will assess whether the staff morale has increased to the expected levels after the project's products are implemented. This heading will also include the timing of when these expected benefits will be measured. The fourth heading is What resources are required to carry out benefits reviews. For instance, this heading can include the specific set of skills required or expected to assess the realization of benefits. The next heading is Baselines. This heading will capture the baseline measures from which benefits can be calculated. For example, if an increase in revenue is expected over a duration of 5 years from the completion of the project, then it is always recommended that the baseline revenue figures, before the project's products are implemented or put into operational use, are captured and used to compare the expected increase in revenue over the duration of the expected period. The last heading is Measuring the performance of the project's products in their operational life. Why should we do this? Why should we worry about the performance of the project's products in its operational life? It is because there can be some unexpected benefits that the projects may provide, or even disbenefits. So it is important that we assess the performance of the project's products in their operational life. Now that we understand what should go into a benefits review plan, shall we use the following scenario to carry out an exercise on creation of benefits review plan? The following scenario contains entries documented in the daily log by the project manager. He has captured these entries for studying the project process and initiating a project process. So, can you spend around 10 minutes on this exercise and create a benefits review plan using the template that was provided above? Right! Now that you have answered all the questions for the scenario, can you please refer to the table that includes the template of benefits review plan with answers under the composition section? Hope that you've got most of these questions correct. This concludes our session on business case theme. I hope you've enjoyed learning with us.